Yes, yes, I freaking want this bad, okay? I'm thinking to tape circuit boards on other circuit boards. This would be perfect. So I'm buying it. 3M, 1 inch by 9 feet, VHB double-sided foam adhesive tape. It's just a really powerful foam double-sided tape. And I feel like you can do some real damage with something like this. And you can stack it too to make it thicker if you had to. I feel like that'd be extremely useful. I'm gonna have to go for it. It's permanent. It's forever. I use the same tape to mount. This is what GoPro mounts their cameras to helmets with. That thing's been stuck to my helmet for freaking 10 years. 10 years! Getting knocked around. The GoPro has never fallen off ever. That thing's been through years of chaos, underwater, above water, in the sun, everything. It does not come off. You want to talk about thoroughly testing it? I trust that stuff. It's incredible.